Let us discuss now something about scaffolding tagging system. Usually, there are three types of tags: red, yellow, and green. Red, don't use scaffold. Yellow, the scaffolding is in the erection stage. You can use it, but with full body harness, with safety precautions. And mostly in this case, the scaffolding erectors, they are working on the scaffold. They are going to erect or dismantle or alter a scaffold structure, and they are using yellow tag and green tag. It is safe for use, and this is for the purpose. For example, the carpenters, they have to make shuttering work. Steel fixers, they have to place the steel. Green is for everybody, it's safe for work. Yellow, only the scaffolding staff and supervisors, they are using it. This scaffolding is in or under construction. But if there is a red tag, never go up on the scaffold. It is not safe. No need to ask question why it is not safe. The tag itself is the indication that it is dangerous. To avoid workplace incidents when working at height, you have to conduct training. Here, let us discuss shortly what are the training requirements. Train employees on scaffold hazards and procedures to control the hazards. The training must include nature of electrical, fall and falling object hazards, how to deal with electrical hazards and fall protection systems, proper use of scaffold and the scaffold load capacities. Dear friends and fellows, remember, use appropriate scaffold construction methods. Erect, move, or alter scaffold properly. Protect from falling objects or tools. Ensure stable access. Use a competent person. Train on scaffold construction and the hazards involved with scaffolds. Inspect scaffold before each shift and after alterations, and determine fall protection requirements. If you are interested to learn more in depth about scaffolding safety, I'll keep the link of a complete scaffolding safety playlist where you can learn and understand how you become a competent supervisor, erector, or a safety practitioner with respect to scaffolding erection, scaffolding inspection, scaffolding tagging, hazards, risks, and protective measures. But in all cases, we have to prevent workplace accidents, especially when it links with working at height. As I told you, it's the number one cause of fatalities and accidents in construction. But if you will memorize these important points, you will adopt and implement the points which I have mentioned in the training session. You can make your workplace safe, productive, and incident free. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.